Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to restore contacts on your iPhone. Now, first just open up the settings app of your iPhone and let's scroll down to the very bottom. At the very bottom, let's tap on apps here. And now let's just scroll down until we get to the contacts app itself. Now keep in mind, the first place I would recommend checking is to make sure you haven't just accidentally turned those contacts off instead of deleting them. So tap on contacts accounts, and if you tap on any of these and you can see contacts here, it should be toggled on. So for any of these, if it is turned off and they're deleted, all you need to do is toggle them on and it will start to sync up those contacts again. This is the first place to check, but there are other places to check as well. So let's hit the back arrow until we go back to the very beginning of your settings. The next place we're going to look is to see if those contacts are in your iCloud. So tap on your name at the very top. And now from here, you can see midway down is iCloud. Let's tap on that. Now, if those contacts are saved on your iCloud, you can just bring them back onto your iPhone and download them. We'll do that by tapping on See All here next to Save to iCloud. And let's scroll down until we find contacts. You can see contacts is turned on. I'm going to turn it off and hit keep on my iPhone. This will download all of those contacts and keep them. However, if I turn this back on, I'm going to choose merge and it will merge all of the contacts on my iPhone with iCloud. Check at that point to see if those contacts are brought back. However, if there's not brought back, there is a third option that will definitely get those contacts back. So let's open up a web browser like Safari or Google Chrome. And from here, we're just going to type in iCloud.com and hit go. And you're going to log into your Apple ID account to get into iCloud. The nice thing is that Apple has a contacts recovery system built into the web browser. At the very top right there, you can see that little grid of squares. Let's tap on that. And now let's scroll down a little bit, and under more, you can see data recovery at the very bottom. So just tap on where it says data recovery. You can see I can restore files, but I can also restore bookmarks and contacts, calendars, etc. Let's tap on restore contacts. Now this is important because it says when you restore all of these contacts to the most recent backup or to any of these backups, it will delete all of the contacts on your iPhone. So keep in mind, if you added a contact after this specific backup, then it will be deleted. But if you're good to go, maybe you basically deleted it recently and you can just restore to yesterday. Just tap on restore and it says it will restore all the contacts. Just tap on the blue restore and you're good to go. It will bring all of those contacts back onto your iPhone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.